Now it's time to decorate your room. Welcome back to my channel Little Fun Projects. In this video, I'll be showing you very easy and pretty DIY room decor ideas. So now, without any further delay, let's start. So for the first idea, you'll need some paint. You can use poster or acrylic paint, your choice. I'll be using these acrylic pouring paint, but it's not important to use this one. You can always use the normal paint, but in that do add oil so that it's more in a liquid form and your painting will turn out even more pretty. Next, take any waste bowl. You can also use disposable cups. Then you will be needing any base. You can use paper. Here I'm using a canvas. So start by pouring all the paints inside the bowl, as you can see. Put the canvas on the bowl and then flip it upside down. After that, spread this paint towards all the corners. None of the parts should be left blank. So you can see how nice it looks. This is my favorite abstract painting till now because it was so easy to make it and turns out to be lovely. For the drying process, lay down a newspaper and on that keep a bowl. On the bowl keep your canvas so the paint will keep dripping down side by side. And now our first very easy and pretty DIY painting is ready. Now moving on to our second idea. For that, paint a canvas with black paint. If you don't have a canvas, you can simply paint a sheet in black. Allow the canvas to dry and then start making circles. Do keep a tissue paper under the needle of the compass so that it does not pierce the canvas or paper. These circles will act as reference for us. Now comes the fun part, which is going on creative. Go on creative and make beautiful designs. So on the mandala we have to make dots. For the dotting process you can use toothpicks, earbuds, backside of any pencil, backside of any paintbrush or small caps. Or you can make the dots by your hand. So you can totally experiment with shapes, sizes and colors. Honestly, whatever you make, the results are gonna be just so awesome. Trust me guys. So if you have tube paint, then you can directly make the dots like I am doing. Fill the whole canvas with unique and pretty designs. So now I'll let it dry. So after it's dried on the big dots, I'll make small dots that will totally emphasize the look. And now our dot mandala painting is also ready. Moving on to a third idea, you will be needing a plastic sheet. So if you don't have a plastic sheet, then you can cut out some plastic from any waste packet like I have done, and then you'll also be needing sheet and markers or sketch pens. So start by scribbling the sketch pens on the plastic sheet and sprinkle some water. Next, keep the plastic on the sheet and flip it. Press it nicely and then peel off the plastic sheet. So when that's done, take a tissue paper and start dabbing it on the sheet so that it soaks the excess water, and then allow it to dry. So now our background is ready. Write anything you like on it. I wrote my room and then start decorating it. And now our third DIY is also ready. It looks so pretty. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please subscribe my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.